Something is hunting us.
Then let it come. Stay behind me.
Not this time.
Actually, this effect was created with AI Inspo. You have seen now.
Warm welcome to AI Inspo platform that is going to convert your image into video. You can also go to create professional ad with just a text into video, and you can also create your lovely music. Even I am also going to show you step by step. So link in video description where you can join through Google, Facebook or email, and here you can also check. I am going to log in. After that you can upgrade your account. That is very simple to get the number of credit, and after that you can also check for the video creation. You can use two methods. First one is image to video and second is text to video. I am going to select here image into video. I am going to providing a reference image from my device, and here I am also going to describe like what type of this image into scenario. So I am going to describe here. Now you can also check out how it looks like with proper absolute time mention. Now we are going to select here Seedance 2.5, and there is also the time even. There is quality 720 pixel and 30-second long generation content can be created in a single time with using Seedance 2.5. I am going to select here sound should be on and click on the create option. Our work is now done. As you can see the submission, it is being generated. Once it will be done, I'll show you output. Now our video output is now ready. I am going to show you on the big screen. You can also download it with a full result you can see on screen. After that guys, you have also another option to generate the video, that is text to video, and I am going to select here give the number of prompt and select the AI model that have been given different Seedance 2.5 or Seedance 2.0 mini, and go for ratio. There is more seconds, and then we have to click on the create option, and in the library section we can also see our second video is being progress. Our second video is also now ready, and I am also going to show you now in the fully screen.
Something is hunting us.
Then let it come. Stay behind me.
Not this time.
You have seen the stunning work using AI model, image into video, text into video, and now we are going to use text into music. For that I am going to put the lyrics of the song, and then we can click on the create option, and then here is also the music history. That song is being progress that we have now given, and it is ready. I am also going to show you on the screen.
Forward through the black, rise up, hear the call. We were born to break the wall, through the flames, into the light. We keep running, we will fight. We rise tonight.
You've seen how video from image into text into video, there is text into music can be generated using AI Inspo. Even you can also come here to use different template. Yes, there are more effects if you want to implement with your picture. Like here I'm going to create such video. So here just I need to upload a picture, and I'm going to continue with that. Here is the picture. Next I'm coming to create now with such just a simple drop the picture, and our video is being progressed. Our final result is now ready that you can easily check out in a fully stunning work. And yes, I will also really impressive with AI Inspo, where you can create different type of work and viral content, even engage content with million of views. You can gain followers, start your AI ad on it. So if you have any question, you can ask in our comment box, and let's enjoy AI Inspo AI model and the latest Seedance 2.5 here. Thanks for watching.